Hello guys, welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Studies. So in today's video, I will be telling you guys what you need to do if you desire to score high in JAMB. When I mean score high in JAMB, I mean score from 300 and above. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about certain things you need to do if actually you want to score high in JAMB. Let's start immediately. So if you desire to score high in JAMB, the first thing you need to do is start studying earlier. I know most of you were waiting for 2025 to come before you start studying. 2025 is here already. It's better you start studying. Stop wasting time. You don't have enough time again. You just have 3 months to JAMB, and JAMB will be here. So 3 months is not even enough for you to cover the whole JAMB syllabus for the first subject that you'll be taking. Forget all those videos you'll be seeing on YouTube, how to cover your JAMB syllabus in 1 month. That is not possible. Even if you study 24 hours a day, you can't cover everything for the first subject that you'll be taking. It's not possible. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. It's possible to pass your JAMB by luck. When I mean pass your JAMB, I mean score up to 200. But it's not possible to score high in JAMB if you are not studying. Let me tell you what I mean by to pass your JAMB. When I mean pass your JAMB, I mean to score up to 200. Yeah, you can score up to 200 by luck. But if actually you don't study enough, you can't score up to 300. So this video is for people that want to score up to 280 to 300. Hope you understand. Okay, so the second thing you need to do if you desire to score high in JAMB is study with the JAMB syllabus. You don't need to carry your whole Idodume College biology or your whole new school physics and start studying everything. No, that is not how to study. I always say this in my video. Study smart and not hard. Use your JAMB syllabus. Let the JAMB syllabus be your guide. Let the JAMB syllabus tell you where to study and where not to study. You don't need to study everything in the whole new school physics. No. You need to focus on certain things. That's why you need your JAMB syllabus. So if you'll be taking chemistry, physics, biology, and English, you need to have the JAMB syllabus for those 4 subjects. Don't go and get only for chemistry or for only biology. You need to get the JAMB syllabus for the 4 of them. If actually you don't have them by now, you can send me a message on this WhatsApp number, and then I'll send you a copy of each and every one of them. Hope you understand. So the third thing you need to do if you desire to score high in JAMB is study with friends. Study with friends. It's important to study with friends because once you have studied something and you discuss it with somebody, it will help you to be able to retain it. It won't be hard for you to retain what you have studied. Like once you discuss it with somebody, it will be as if you guys are just conversing, you are just gisting, you understand? So anytime when you get to the hall, you may still remember how both of you and your friend discussed it, and that would make it easy for you to remember in the hall. Hope you understand. If you have gone this far in this video and you have not subscribed, you know you are wrong. So just like this video and also hit that red subscribe button. You're not paying anything to subscribe. And also I'll promise to be updating you guys on what you need to do if you desire to score high in JAMB. Okay, so let's move on to the fourth one. The fourth one is solve past questions. Solve past questions. It's very important. It's not a new thing. Everybody knows that JAMB repeats questions. So start solving past questions. So let me tell you what they do in physics. In physics, the subject that they repeat the most, like the subject where they repeat questions the most, is actually physics. What they do in physics is they will get the same question and then they will change the figures. But it's still the same formula you use to get the answer. So that's why it's important to solve past questions. It's very important. If you don't have past questions by now, try and get one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one is practice CBT tests on mobile apps. It's not a new thing that there are mobile apps where you can practice JAMB CBT tests. If you don't know anyone, I recommend my school JAMB app. So what you need to do is download one of those apps or download my school JAMB app or anyone you think is better for you. But I will recommend my school JAMB app. Once you download this JAMB app, you can practice CBT test on it. If you don't know how to activate this app, you can download the app, then send me a message on this WhatsApp number and tell me, sir, I want to buy activation pin to activate my school JAMB app. Then you pay your 1,000 naira and then I will send you the activation pin. That is all. So the next thing you need to do if you desire to score high in JAMB is join tutorials. If you can't join physical tutorials, I will advise you to join online tutorials. Just make sure you join any tutorial. It's very important. It's very important. Don't say you can study on your own and still get up to 300. Yeah, some people can do it, but it's not everybody that can do it. But if you think you can do it, you are good to go. But I will advise you join a tutorial. That is actually very important. Okay, guys, that will be the end of the video for today. But please don't forget to like this video and also hit that red subscribe button. I love you guys. Till your boy, Chubby.